video is about Bluetooth headphones, a fairly budget price headset, the Blue Idiot T4S. What's up guys, I hope you are well, and I also wanna welcome the new subscribers to the channel. Welcome guys, and thank you for subscribing new and existing subscribers. The headset comes in 3 colors, black, white and red. I have only the black version as you can see. First of all, the unboxing experience is so cool. The box is high quality and just slides off like that and opens like a booklet. Inside, the first thing you can see is the headphones with a smaller box. The small box includes a carrying case and a Type-C cable to the headphone jack and a Type-C for charging. The cables are about 1.5 meters and also the quality is pretty nice. A manual is also included with English available as the product comes from a Chinese brand. To the main unit now. I want to make it clear from now that there are no delays in audio while you watch movies, but more on that later. It's an over-ear pair of headphones with 57mm drivers, frequency response 15 Hz to 25 kHz, and active noise cancellation technology. For those that don't know what active cancellation is, basically in a crowded place or a place like an airplane with a lot of noise, enabling this you can reduce external noise and enjoy your music. Enabling this technology comes with a price, a loss in quality, but activating in this condition I don't think it's a huge deal as you already having trouble with noise. So the headphones are made of this nice metallic material with a chrome finish and feels nice and very durable in the hand. The headband though is a plastic with some flex on it and it still feels durable even as a plastic. The headband is covered by this black leather like that feels nice in the hand. On the top of the headband the Turbine logo looks so good in that silver color to match the overall look. Down to ear cups, the Blue Idiot branding appears and this time is printed inside this glass surface. You can rotate the ear cups 90 degrees and put them around your neck to carry them around. They feel like choking you but better than nothing, right? 100 degrees in that direction is also very useful for adjusting your face shape and ears. Around the ear cup is a memory foam covered by the black leather again, and that feels very comfortable in your ear, and even with daily use for about 3 months there is no sign of damage, no cracked leather or something. The size of the ear cups are 85mm and the actual hole is 45mm, but your ear can slide into it without any problem. On the left earphone no buttons are located, they are all on the right one. To power on the device you must hold down this little button. The small LED turns blue when it's powered on, red when charging, and with the same button you can turn it off. The other button is for pausing a song or a movie. On the other side, those 2 buttons work as volume up or down on a single press, and on a longer press as next and previous song button. On the glass side there is the noise cancelling switch to activate it when it's needed, and actually a green LED is on when it's activated to indicate that. Also the USB port is here to charge it up, to use it as a wired headset with that cable of Type-C to jack for the times you run out of battery, or if you want to use them at your desk fast without Bluetooth. On wired mode though the volume is a little bit lower for some reason. Next to that is also a microphone for using it on calls and on active noise cancellation features. Now to the sound characteristics. It has a nice deep bass you expect for this size of a headset, and the sound is clear. You won't notice any huge distortions in high volume, but I'm not an expert on sound, so keep that in mind. Personally, I like electronic music and I love more mid-tones and highs, and with this headset you are more on the bass side, but you can reduce the bass by activating the noise cancelling or by changing some equalizer settings and stuff, but you lose details in the bass of course. Another important has no issues with the Bluetooth, and it doesn't have any delays while transferring the sound wirelessly. You know, if you want to use it to watch movies or YouTube videos and the delay is there, then you regret the time you buy a headset like that. So not the case here. Here is an example of that, to see it by yourself.
Pretty good at it, but you suck. Whoever you are.
I work at the Life Foundation and I need your help.
On the wired mode, as I said before, the sound volume is lower, but not by much, only by 1 click. Neither the buttons are working, and if you want to make any changes you must do it manually. Again, no issues with distortion and change of the overall sound quality. My final thoughts, I'm really impressed with the overall quality and it's really good. I saw in person other headphones from Sony Dr. Dre and the quality is superior on the Bluetooth. As I said before, if you are more on the bass side, these are definitely for you. There are some electronic music songs that are absolutely amazing on the headset, and at the games the audio is top notch, especially the bass makes your head explode. I also had another pair of headphones, the JVC S70BT, and I will make a comparison video soon. See you on the next one.